are back for another adventure without Ralph. Again. I keep saying I'm not going to make these, and then I just keep making them, but for real, this is the last video I'm going to make here. Because my time is running out. This is my last full day here. I've done my work for the day, and I was looking through all the different walks that I'd be liking to take. And I scrolled through a lot, and I decided that we love waterfalls, we love ruins, so why not do a bit of both? Hear the waterfall now, hear the birds. So far it's a pretty walk. It's very back and forth, windy. It is nice. And I think maybe we're at the falls already. Just mad. So I don't believe this is the main waterfall that we're looking for, but it is pretty sick. It's a start, right? It's very beautiful. And the fact I can get this close to it is pretty dope. Should I do some gold panning? We should definitely do some gold panning. Look, there's flakes of gold in here. I can see them. You can see real gold. Just scoop it out. I'll be rich. This is beautiful. I love water. Anything water features is just so epic. Anyway, I'll show you some drone footage, and we'll try to find the big boy waterfall. This is just a small boy waterfall. You can listen to me climb up this hill. I'm totally not going to deck myself on all the way back up. Thanks, tree roots. Quiet now before we find the big boy, which is what we're going for. But I'm just amazed, it's just so pretty here. And I've heard that there's also some ruins. So I like waterfalls, I like ruins. If we can find both, then win-win. So we're just going to walk a little further. I think I'm about a mile out from the big waterfall. So we'll see when we get there. Let's keep going. I was wrong. It's not a mile away. It's like 10 meters away. This is turned into another one of those walks, isn't it, where it's a lot shorter than I thought it should be. But I feel like I just need to let you see this because it's absolutely amazing. I've already taken a look. So we're going to walk down here together. And I'm going to show you this. This is insane. And then if you're scared of heights, word of warning, we are very high up right now. We're very high up. And the waterfall is on the side. The camera's not going to do much justice, but the drone will definitely do it better justice. So before I drop this down below me and absolutely regret this, let's get the drone out and show you the full extent of how beautiful this is. Let's get it. that was pretty insane. Waterfalls is definitely somewhere I would recommend visiting. And to be honest, it's a good place if you're not feeling up for a big walk, because you don't have to do a big walk. I mean, there's the option. We're now trailing through the woods. There's a lovely path here going down the side of the hill and following the staircase down, almost that they built for us. All old stone and everything. But you don't have to do this. The falls are really accessible. You know, it's not too far from the car park. So yeah, it is honestly, it's well worth the travel if you're ever up this way. But we're just gonna go down here and try and get a bottom down view up from the bottom of the waterfall. And then we're gonna continue walking through the woods and find some ruins. We need to find some ruins. Ruins and a waterfall in one video. Sounds like a dream. Also, note to self, bring swim trunks next time. I'd swim in this. It's great fun. I'm seeing it. Falls from the bottom. We now have the bottom point of view and the top point of view. I'm over here. Please follow me. There you go. Insane. Absolutely beautiful. Good lighting too. There's some good photos of it. Why is it? I'm over here. I keep losing my face. I'm trying not to protect myself and keep myself at an angle at the same time. So this is the bottom of it. How much would somebody pay me to cannonball off this right now? Cannonball into there right now? Probably not gonna do. Let's not do that. Let's just keep it. Climb over the fence. It's not falling. Oh well. Let's keep going. This is probably my favourite part of every adventure. The chill out at the end, the relaxation of sitting down at the setting of where I filmed all of my pieces and sitting here and editing all of my videos together, giving up a rough mock-up, working through some ideas, taking inspiration from music, from the surroundings about me, and just enjoying being out here and appreciating everything that I've seen and done. Thank you so much for everything. See you in the next one.